of course I had to do a part 2. I ran out of time last time. And plus, if anybody's being loud in your house, tell them to be quiet. Or if they don't stop, just go to somewhere quiet. And my mom insists might yell, so it's okay. And by the way, if this is your first time here and you're watching this video right now, go into my channel and you'll know how to make this ramen, but you can add any ingredients you want, okay? By the way, it's found in Publix, like I said in the last video. ASMR time. Also, you have to add the little soy sauce to get the taste.